What's up, gig hustlers? Welcome to Riding Around and Getting It, your go-to spot for making the most money with DoorDash, Lyft, and Uber Eats. Today, I'm breaking down how I almost got scammed while driving for Lyft. This scam is sneaky and it can happen to any driver if you're not careful. I'll walk you through exactly how it happened, the red flags I missed, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself from losing money. And make sure you stick around till the end because I'm dropping a bonus tip that can help protect your identity and finances if you ever run into something like this. All right, let's get into it. Here's how it all went down. I received a message within the Lyft app, which made it seem legit. Right after that, I got a phone call from the same number. It had a 323 area code and it looked official. The person on the line claimed to be from Lyft and told me that a passenger reported me for not matching the driver's description in the app. That immediately threw me off. It really threw me off and it had me engaged, not even thinking that this could be a scammer. But I will give you a tip right now. Lyft will never call you. So just keep that in mind. Most of these apps will never just call you straight up unless it's something about a current order or a current ride, but they're not going to ask you for any type of info until they send you an email. That's how most of these places work. If it's dealing with your personal information, you're probably going to get an email from an official site and then you can deal with it from there. All right, so they asked me to verify my info and to cancel my current ride. Since they knew the details about my ride, I thought, okay, this must be really Lyft. So I complied. Next, they informed me that there was a hold on my account, but assured me it would be lifted after verification. After I verified everything, they hit me with an offer saying, for your inconvenience, we're giving you a $120 gift card to compensate you for lost time. Sounds nice, right? And something in the back of my head was kind of like, that's a lot of money. For something that literally I canceled my ride, talked to the guy for 5 minutes. I was in front of a hotel ready to pick up somebody. I pulled to the side and like I said, this was all within 10 minutes to take the call. I told him, I was like, hey, let me get out from the front of this hotel, and I pulled over down the street. So with all that going on with the current ride, it didn't really occur to me that it was a scam, but it did seem kind of weird. So I'm telling you, if this happens, it's probably too good to be true. But this is where it all went left. They told me that before I could receive the gift card, I'd have to empty my Express Pay, because I don't know if y'all use Express Pay. You know, you put a credit card in there where you can instantly put the money to your bank account attached to that credit card. So they was like, we have to put this one-time use card into the Express Pay, and that's how you would get the money. So before he was like, before we could do that, we got to verify who you are. So they asked me to upload my ID and to send my social security number, and they will send you a link, and the link looks legit. Do not fall for it. So that's pretty much when it hit me. It was a scam. At that point, I decided to play along and see where it was going. So I got the gift card number. I was able to record it and write it down. I basically told them that the card wouldn't attach, which Lyft normally, if you try to attach something to your Express Pay, is going to shut it down initially, and you'll get a text or a call verifying who you are if you haven't attached the card in a while. Lyft is pretty good about that. Uber, usually they'll deny it at first, and they'll send you a text message saying, hey, is this you? And if you reply yes, they usually will let you attach a card after that. Sometimes Uber will make you wait a while too. So anyway, at that point, I decided to play along, see where it was going to go. I got the number, and then I immediately got off the call and I filed a complaint with the FTC and the FBI Internet Crimes Unit. You can Google these. You can Google the FTC, and they have a form for you to file a complaint. If you have any evidence, you can attach it. They'll give you a file number to use later. And on the FBI, they have an internet crimes unit where you can go on there and you can say what type of scam it was and upload information. And the thing about the FBI, they're going to know if you filed anywhere else. So I would advise to file with the FTC first, get that file number, and then add it on the FBI's website. So yeah, pretty much after that, I sent the scammer a text saying, I know what you're doing, and I've reported everything to the proper authorities. Pretty much after that, they ghosted me. It was nothing else. So I did say at the end, I was going to give you a bonus tip. So here's the bonus tip. If you got caught up in this, it's not the end of the world. What you could do to protect yourself is you can download many credit monitoring apps. I'm not paid by any of these people. I'm just giving advice, and I'm giving you the ones I use. I use Credit Karma. I've used it for years. So Credit Karma, if you download it and they give you Equifax, not Experian, TransUnion and Equifax, you get those two, and then Experian, you can go on their site and get the app just from them. And it used to be free. I'm not sure anymore. But if there's any type of hit to your credit where somebody's trying to get some of your name, you will get an alert. You will get an email. Your phone will blow up. You will get an email. You will get a text alert, and then you'll get a notification from the app saying that, hey, somebody tried to pull your credit or somebody tried to apply for this. And then you can take it a step further and go to all 3 credit bureaus and have your credit frozen. There's other bureaus also that I won't get into in this video, but for the most part, you can go to those 3 and have your credit frozen. If your information was compromised, I advise y'all to do this. All right, y'all, we out here riding around and gigging it. Man, like this, subscribe, because I got way more coming. I got way more tips. The next one, I'm gonna let y'all know how I do and how I'm successful. I've been doing this for 8 years. This is my first video on this, so I got a lot to give y'all in 2025. All right, y'all, let's get this bread.